Good morning. Today's topic is first day of the English spoken classes is related to greetings and so let's start. Uh, when we have to greet our grandfather, then how do we talk? Good morning, grandpa. It is still the afternoon that we greet like this. Now, if we have to greet our dad, then we have to say good morning, dad. If we have to greet our teacher, then we have to say good morning, sir. Similarly, after afternoon till 5 p.m., we will say good afternoon, grandma, good afternoon, mummy, good afternoon, dear. In the evening, good evening, uncle, good evening, auntie, good evening, dear. While in the night, good night and sweet dreams, we will say. When we have to greet in at any time of the day, we can say good day to you, sir. When we meet anyone, so we can say pleased to meet you. We can do informal greetings in this way, like hi Simi, hi Ankur, hello uncle, hello Nishi, hello Khush, hello Mrs. Mehra. So these are the ways to interact. Now, when we have to take leave from anyone, then we will say goodbye, children, bye bye, farewell, dear, bye, see you, so long. So, that's it for the first topic. Now, we shall move on to the good manners in English. Their good manners are also needed in English language. So, the foreigners always keep some, you can say, discipline and manners in their daily life. So let us see what do they do, how do they interact, how which words they use to show respect. So this is it. First is please. They, if they have to ask for something, they use the word please, can I have it, allow me, pardon. And then for thanking anyone, you can say thanks. And for allowing anyone to go first, you can say after you. These two words are only means sufficient. That is all right. When you are okay with the situation, then you can say that is all right. That does not make any difference. When you have to welcome anyone, you simply say welcome. When you have to ask when you have to ask for sorry from anyone, you say sorry Ankur, sorry Ravi, like this. And when you help anyone, then you can say it is my pleasure. When you have to request from anyone, then you have to say kindly. when you have to like, you have to find a way, somebody is standing in front of you and you have to go you have to go after him, you have to go somewhere else from him. So you can say excuse me, can I have my way, you are in my way, can I have my way, excuse me. So that's it. Excuse me, can I have water. So that's it. And now let's some do some polite phrases. I'm sorry I could not make it that day. And then, I'm sorry I could not make it in time. I'm sorry I got a little late. Please convey my apologies. It was all by mistake. Please excuse me. I'm very sorry. Sorry to have disturbed you. I beg your pardon. Allow me to say, may I have your attention? Please, it's all yours. Will you please permit me to speak? Let me also help you. Will you please move a bit? Will you please speak slowly? When we have to say to someone that he is making a lot of noise, please, will you please speak slowly? Will you mind speaking a bit softly, please? When someone say, you can say, talk so rudely, then you have to say, will you mind speaking a bit softly? When you want to sit anywhere and somebody is sitting in your way, then you have to say, will you please let me sit? As you please. It is, it is used to say, means as you wish, you can do. Please make yourself comfortable. When you have to make someone comfortable and make someone sit somewhere, so then you say, please make yourself comfortable. Now, when you have to ask for sorry, then you have to say sorry for the inconvenience. When you have to be thankful to anyone, then you have to say that's very kind of you. When you have to say that the person should help himself, then you can say please help yourself. When you are happy on meeting anyone, then you can say glad to meet you.